Namaskar, I am Dan Gowdy, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss the homogeneous equations with variable coefficients and so on. Homogeneous equation with analytic coefficients. An infinite series of the form an z minus z naught raised to n is called a power series in z minus z naught. Here an, z naught are complex numbers. With every power series there is associated a disk called disk of convergence, so that a series converges absolutely for every z interior in this disk. The center of the disk is at z naught and its radius is called the radius of convergence of the power series. Given a power series, summation of an z minus z naught raised to n is equal to 0 to infinity. Let lambda is equal to limit as n tends to infinity, supremum of nth root of an, r is equal to 1 upon lambda, where r is equal to 0 and lambda is equal to plus infinity, and r is equal to plus infinity if r is equal to 0, lambda is equal to 0. The series converges absolutely if z minus z naught less than r and diverges if z minus z naught greater than r. If x naught, x and an are real numbers, then the series summation of an z x minus x naught raised to n is called a real power series. Its disk of convergence intersect the real axis is an interval x naught minus r, x naught plus r, called the interval of convergence. If g is a function defined on an interval I containing point x naught, we say that g is analytic at x naught if g can be expanded in a power series about x naught which has a positive radius of convergence. Thus g is analytic at x naught if it can be represented in the form g of x is equal to summation of an x minus x naught raised to n is equal to 0 to infinity, where an are constant and the series converges for x minus x naught less than r greater than 0. If g has a power series expansion, then all the derivatives of g exist on x minus x naught less than r, and they may be computed by differentiating the series term by term, that is g dash of x is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity n an x minus x naught raised to n minus 1, g double dash of x is equal to n is equal to 0 to infinity n into n minus 1 an x minus x naught raised to n minus 2 etc. The differentiated series converges on x minus x naught raised less than r. In calculus, there are certain tests by which one could determine an interval of convergence of a real power series. A simple one and one which is frequently used is known as ratio test. The series summation of ui n is equal to 1 to infinity, I is equal to 0 to infinity, uh, converges absolutely if limit as n tends to infinity un plus 1 divided by un is equal to k less than 1. Example, for the power series summation of x raised to n divided by n is equal to 0 to infinity, limit as n tends to infinity, a un plus 1 divided by un is equal to limit as n tends to infinity x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 divided by x raised to n divided by n is equal to limit as n tends to infinity n divided by n plus 1 into x is equal to modulus of x. Hence the series converges absolutely if modulus of x less than 1. Examples, for the power series 1 minus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial minus x raised to 6 divided by 6 factorial plus plus minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 2 factorial x raised to 2n minus 2 plus un is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 2 factorial x raised to 2n minus 2 and un plus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to n divided by 2n plus factorial x raised to 2n. Therefore, limit as n tends to infinity un plus 1 divided by un is equal to limit as n tends to infinity minus 1 raised to n x raised to 2n divided by 2n factorial multiply 2n minus 2 factorial divided by minus 1 raised to n minus 1 x raised to 2n minus 2 is equal to limit as n tends to infinity x square divided by 2n into 2n minus 1 is equal to 0 for each x. Hence the series converges absolutely for all x. Its interval of convergence is the entire real axis. Theorem, existence theorem. Let x naught be a real numbers and suppose that the coefficient a1 a2 an in L of y is equal to y raised to n plus a1 of x y raised to n minus 1 plus a2 of x y raised to n minus 2 plus plus an of x y have convergent power series expansion in power of x minus x naught on an interval x minus x naught less than r greater than 0 if alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 alpha n are any n constants, then there exist a solutions phi of the problem L of y is equal to 0, y of x naught is equal to alpha 1, y dash of x naught is equal to alpha 2, dash y raised to n minus 1 of x naught is equal to alpha n. With the power series expansions, phi of x equal to summation of ck x minus x naught raised to k is equal to 0 to infinity is convergent for x minus x naught less than r. We have k factorial ck is equal to alpha k plus 1, k is equal to 0 1 2 3 n minus 1 and ck for k greater than equal to n may be computed in terms of c0 c1 cn minus 1 by substituting the series into L of y is equal to 0. If the coefficient a1, a2, a3 an are analytic at x0, then the solutions are also analytic. The solution can be computed by a formal algebraic process. Illustration: L of y is equal to y double dash minus xy is equal to 0. Here a1 of x is equal to 0, a2 of x is equal to minus x are analytic for all real x. Let the solutions of the equations L of y is equal to 0 be phi defined by phi of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus is equal to summation of a n x is to n. Then phi dash of x is equal to a1 plus 2 a2x plus 3a3x square plus 4a4x cube plus is equal to summation of n a n x is to n minus 1 n is equal to 1 to infinity. Phi double dash of x is equal to 280 plus 6a3x plus 12a4x cube x square plus is equal to n is equal to 0 to infinity n into n minus 1 a n x is to n minus 2. Pi double dash of x minus x pi of x is equal to n is equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 a n x is to n minus 2 minus x summation of a n x is to n is equal to 2a2 plus 6a3x plus 12a4x square plus 20a5x cube plus 20a5 minus a2x cube is equal to 2a2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 an plus 2 minus an minus 1 x is to n. Phi is the solutions of L of y is equal to y double dash minus xy is equal to 0. If phi double dash minus xy is equal to 0 or 2a2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 an plus 1 2 minus an minus 1 x is to n is equal to 0. Above equation is true only if all the coefficients of the power series of x are 0. The 2a2 is equal to 0 n plus 1 n plus 2 an plus 2 minus an minus 1 is equal to 0 for n is equal to 1 2 3 . This gives an infinite set of equations and can be solved for an. Thus for n is equal to 1 we have 3 into 2 into a3 is equal to a0 and a3 is equal to a0 divided by 3 into 2. For n is equal to 2 we find 4 into 3 into a4 is equal to a1 or a4 is equal to a1 divided by 4 into 3. Continuing in this way we get a3 is equal to a0 divided by 3 into 2, a4 is equal to a1 divided by 4 divided by 4 into 3, a6 is equal to a3 divided by 6 into 5 dash 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 a3m is equal to a0 divided by 2 into 3 into 5 into 6 into 8 3m minus 1 3m a3m plus 1 is equal to a1 divided by 3 multiply 4 multiply 6 multiply 7 multiply dash 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 3m into 3m plus 1 a 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Thus, all the constants are determined in terms of a0 and a1, collecting together terms containing a0 and a1 as a factors. We have phi of x equal to a0 into 1 plus x square divided by 3 into 2 plus x raised to 6 divided by 2 into 3 into 5 into 6 plus dash dash plus a1 x plus x raised to 4 divided by 4 into 3 plus x raised to 7 divided by 2 into 3 or 3 into 4 into 6 into 7 plus dot dot dot. Let phi 1 and phi 2 represent the two series in the bracket. Then phi 1 of x is equal to 1 plus summation of m is equal to 1 to infinity x is to 3m divided by 2 into 3 into dot dot 3m minus 1 into 3m. Phi 2 of x is equal to x plus summation of m is equal to 1 to infinity x is to 3m plus 1 divided by 3 into 4 into 6 into dot dot 3m into 3m plus 1. We have shown in a formal way that pi satisfies y double dash minus xy is equal to 0 for any two constant a1, a0 and a1. In particular, the choice a0 is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 1 implies that phi 2 of x is equal to satisfies the equations and a0 is equal to 1 and a1 is equal to 0 implies that phi 1 of x satisfies the equation. The only question that remains is about the convergence of the series defining phi 1 of x and phi 2 of x. Phi 1 of x is equal to 1 plus summation of dmx is equal to 1 plus summation of x is to 3m divided by 2 into 3 into 5 into 6 into 8 into 9 dot dot 3m minus 1 into 3m dm plus 1 divided by dm and so on. This is similarly phi 2 of x is also convergent and hence